Hello again, welcome to my class. Today is Friday, 6th November 2020. Topic Mowgli, perform and read pages 22 to 25. Pedagogical Word Unit 102. Okay, continue. Okay, we start. Shield finds Baloo, Bagheera, and Kaa. Look that. Find, los encontró. And I saw Mowgli. Lo vio. I saw Mowgli. The monkey people are taking him to the monkey city. Yes. Entonces él le dice que vio a Mowgli en la ciudad de los monos y que lo tienen allá. The monkey people are taking him. Lo tienen allá. And he say, Bagheera say, thank you, Shield. Okay, look that. Oh, look, this is the monkey city. And they are the monkeys. And the monkeys take Mowgli and eat to an old city. The king built the city hundreds of years ago. Okay, look, this city was built, fue construida cientos, hundreds of years, cientos de años. The king monkey, he is the king. We are great. We are the best animals in the jungle. And we have Mowgli. He can teach us many things. We are great. Somos fantásticos. We are the best animals in the jungle. Somos los mejores animales de la selva, en la selva. And we have Mowgli. Nosotros tenemos a Mowgli. He can teach us. Él nos puede enseñar many things. Muchas cosas. Bagheera and Baloo finally find Mowgli and the monkeys. The monkeys attack Bagheera and Baloo. Look, they are the monkeys and they found and they attack. Jump into the river, Bagheera. The monkeys don't like water. And then Kaa appears. Entonces, se fueron Bagheera and Boo to the monkeys and the monkeys lo atacaron a ellos dos. Y Mowgli dice, jump into the river. Mowgli les alcanza a decir, salten al río, jump into, o sea, introduzcanse. Bagheera, the monkeys don't like water. A los micos no les gusta el agua. And then Kaa appeared. Oh, llegó Kaa. Kaa. It's Kaa, run. Ok, mira, aquí están escapándose porque Kaa appears. Very good. And let Kaa take the monkeys. Oh, it's good. Kaa twists and turns. All the monkeys look into his eyes. Oh, look, the monkeys. Look the eyes of the monkeys and look the eyes of Kaa. He hypnotized them. Oh my God, look, los hipnotizó a todos. Go now, my friends. No, así no es. Es like a snake. Go now, my friends. Let me take care of the monkeys. Yes? Les dice, pueden irse, mis amigos. Yo cuidaré a los micos. Thank you, Kaa. And Bagheera said, we are your friends, Kaa. Always remember that. Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. Have a good day. Bye.